Got my coffee ready and let's get filming. Assalamualaikum everyone and welcome back to my channel. Hi, my name is Arina if you are new, and if you are coming back, I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I am going to try to do soap brows for the very first time. I refer to Rachel T. Tyler video. I love her. I'm gonna use her method to do the soap brows. So I have my soap ready. This is the Pears soap. You can get this from Guardian. I also have my setting spray from Catrice. I don't have any hairspray unfortunately, and also I'm going to use this spoolie from the brow product that I am not using anymore. So first, I'm gonna wet this soap using the fixing spray, that, and then taking the spoolie and rub it onto the soap until it forms a paste. I don't want to overdo it, so I think that's enough paste on the spoolie. So right now I'm gonna brush my eyebrows. I'm gonna get my mirror ready. Comb the brows and push it upwards. I think you all can already see the effect there. She said to push it upwards and then to push the hairs onto the skin, so I'm gonna do that. First push it upwards and press it onto the skin. And then on the front, she said to fluff it up a bit so that it look more natural. So and then comb this part at the back so it doesn't look too weird, like I'm electrified. I think like that. Or is it like my brows looking a bit weird because they are long? So I'm gonna try to conceal the brows. Before that, we have to clean up extra soap product so that the foundation we're gonna lay on top doesn't look patchy. Okay guys, this is my brows before I clean them up and also apply some brow product. So next you'll need a spoolie, a brow pencil with a precise tip. This is just the Rimmel Brow Pro Micro and I have mine in the darkest shade. And then also you'll need a brow pen, but I don't have one. This is just an eyeliner that I don't use anymore, or I don't like the pigmentation. This one is from Physicians Formula Eye Booster 2-in-1 Lash Boosting Eyeliner plus Serum. This is just in the shade black. And then I need to wet it with water to clean up extra soap that I have around the brows, so that the foundation that I'm going to lay on top of my skin doesn't look patchy or like clump or weird on the outer perimeters of the brows. After that, I'm going to conceal these brows because as you can see I have extra brow hairs there, so I really need to conceal it. Now I'm just going to take this brow pencil and fill in the gaps that I have on my brows. Then I'm going to take this brow pen and also fill in, create a hair-like stroke on the brows. You see how much fuller this brow is compared to this? Okay guys, this is the final eyebrow, like soap brows. I think I obviously need more practice I really want to change my brow shape, I mean the style of my brows, because I'm bored with my current brow style. So I have to get used of this brows and maybe like play around to suit my face shape. Yeah, I think it's okay for first attempt. Sometimes with this like intense eyebrow look with full face of makeup, it will look okay. So yeah, be right back with full face of makeup. Okay guys, this is the final look with the brows on. I think with full face of makeup, this brow is more wearable, I guess, and acceptable, because on its own it looks too intense, and I don't know if my husband will like this brow look, but I kind of feeling it, and I love how it look with this simple makeup look. And I'm gonna practice and perfect it, my technique. I can't wait to create more looks with this brow. By the way, you will see two same intro, outro, because I'm currently doing a foundation review. You will see that after this video. All of my makeup details, I will list it in the down bar below. And if you're interested to know any products that I have on my face right now, please click on there, because everything is on there. My social is on there as well. So thank you so much for watching to this video. I hope you guys stay safe, take care, and I hope I see you guys in the next one. Bye. Assalamualaikum.